everyone, and welcome back to Hannah's Happy Home. So today's video is going to be a casual vlog style video. I'm going to be taking you guys along on my day, giving you some house updates, and also our new fridge is finally getting delivered this afternoon. I'm so excited. So I hope that you guys enjoy this video. So I just got ready for the day. I'm here in our master bathroom about to do my skincare routine. And this master bathroom hasn't really changed much since we did the major renovations to this house back at the beginning of the renovations. At the very beginning when we were doing demo day, we demoed out a closet and a wall that was back here and just opened all of this up. And then the contractor patched it all and he put on like a light texture, did a primer coat. And then we got rid of the door and we removed the medicine cabinet that was over here on this wall. The contractor filled in that hole, and that's all that we've done in here so far. We're hoping to tackle this master bathroom and completely renovate it later on this winter. And the people who are delivering my fridge are actually calling me. Hello?
I have a note here to call you before I'm trying to deliver your refrigerator.
Yes. So I thought the new fridge wasn't going to get delivered until later today, but I just got the phone call from the delivery guy that he's only 20 minutes away and it's only 9 o'clock in the morning. So I guess we're getting the new fridge at the beginning of this video. So I'm going to quickly do my skincare routine before he gets here with the fridge, and I thought I would show you guys what I've been using lately because I have been loving these products. These products are from BioClarity, and BioClarity is sponsoring today's video, which I am very grateful for. I'm really picky with what skincare products I use on my face, but these skincare products have been doing amazing things for my skin. So these are the 4 skincare products that I've been using on my face from BioClarity that I've been loving. The first one that I use for my skincare routine is the cleanser. It's the cucumber green tea and chamomile. And after I wash my face with the cleanser, I go in with the Restore and Hydrate creams. And then the 4th product that I've been using on my face is the I Will Chill Depuff Eye Gel. BioClarity skincare is clean, effective, and they're committed to giving people access to clean, toxin-free, and effective beauty. So if you guys want to go and try out BioClarity products and see why I love them so much, the link will be down below, and you can also use my code HAPPYHOME for 15% off. And thank you again to BioClarity for sponsoring this video. Okay, so the new fridge is going to get delivered any minute now, so we need to get out there and be ready for when he arrives. Okay, the new fridge is here. He was able to set it right inside the door. I am so excited to see what this thing looks like. We might have to rip off some of the cardboard because we can't set it up until my husband gets home tonight. This thing barely fit through the front doors. As you can see, it's almost just about the same height as the front doors. Okay, I kind of did some damage to the box, but I really wanted to see what this fridge looked like. I just couldn't wait until tonight. Can't quite get these double doors open until we get all the rest of the box off, so I'm just gonna have to wait for that till tonight. But I did get this bottom freezer drawer opened, and I kind of love that there aren't any handles, and the ice maker is actually inside of here, so you just scoop it out with the little scoop. And be sure that you stay tuned until the end of the video, because as soon as my husband gets home from work, somebody's going to come and buy our old fridge, and then me and my husband are gonna set up the new fridge. Okay, before we start school and the boys head outside to play, we're gonna clean up this bedroom here really quickly. videoed the last couple of hours because it wasn't really that interesting. We had lunch, We ran to the post office. I got some work done on my computer. I just cleaned up the kitchen. I wanted to take a moment here and give you guys an update about the blinds in the kitchen, because a lot of you have noticed that I left the one up here in the kitchen for the last couple of weeks since I had said that we were returning all 3 of them, and some of you are wondering if we decided to keep them. We were able to get refunded for the 3 blinds from blinds.com, but how they return blinds, they don't let you ship them back to them because these were custom blinds cut for our house. So what they have you do is they have you lay all of your blinds out on the floor, and you cut an X in the back of them, and you take a picture and email it to blinds.com. And then once they see that you've damaged the blinds, you won't be able to continue using them after you get refunded. And they will go ahead and issue you your refund. Kind of an interesting way to do a return, but at least we were able to get a refund. So this blind is broke. I can't lift it up. And if you would see the outside of it, it has a big X in the back of it. So anybody that walks up on the front porch sees a big X through the window. We don't have the other 2 blinds anymore, but I did leave this one here in the kitchen just because the sun gets so bright in the afternoon. So it's nice to have a blind there, and I'm just going to leave it there until we get the new blinds. My blind samples should be arriving in the next couple of days. They were back ordered, so I've been waiting on those. And we're going to do something a little more of a natural color that will go with the shelves. This red color does not go with the shelves or the house at all. And we're hoping to start looking at countertops here in the next couple weeks or month and have somebody come out and give us an actual quote on what it's gonna be to replace all of this countertop. So I wanted to share with you guys an idea that we've been tossing around for the last week or so, and that is that we want to switch up some of the rooms in this house. Right now we have this big open room as our office, and it just feels like so much wasted space in here. I had the idea to turn this room into the boys' bedroom / playroom. I just think that would be so much fun for them. They would have all of this room to play. I'm thinking like a little table in the corner where we could do homeschool and crafts and have all of their toys, even like a swing hanging from the ceiling. Just a super fun big space for them to play. And that's actually what got us thinking about getting rid of this door, is because if we did turn this into a playroom / boys' room, we wouldn't want there to be a door to the outside in their room. So let me know down in the comments what you guys think of that idea. I just think this would be a super fun playroom and bedroom for them. We could do so many cool things in here. And this room is attached to the laundry room, so if that was their bedroom, then this little bathroom would be their bathroom. And it's kind of small for a bathroom for them to share, but they don't really need a ton of space. They're just little boys. Also, they love taking showers, so the fact that there's only a shower in here wouldn't be a problem at all. And this is an older shower, so it'd be perfectly fine for them. They come in from outside just covered in dirt. They're little boys and they love playing outside, so I feel like that would be the perfect shower for them. But yeah, we'll see. It's just an idea that we're tossing around right now. So if we turned that room into their bedroom, then this side of the house would just be our master bedroom. Then down at the end of this hallway, there's a bathroom right here, and then the boys' bedroom in here. So this bathroom and bedroom would turn into the guest bathroom and bedroom, I guess, and then we would just have some storage in this room. I really, really love this IKEA pendant light that I have in here, and it goes so well with their decor. So that would be kind of sad if that wasn't in their room anymore. And then the other bedroom back this hallway is the very messy storage room. We're actually going to clean this room up right now. But this storage room / where we keep the guest bed would turn into our office. I feel like this room would just make the perfect cozy office. It's right beside of our bedroom. It would just make way more sense for us to put our 2 desks in a small room like this, as opposed to that great big giant room over there. It's just a waste of space. It would just be really fun to turn that side of the house into like the kids' side of the house and make that room a super fun room for them, and it would be really fun to film too. I've got lots of neat ideas. So we shall see. Let me know down in the comments what you guys think of our idea of switching the rooms around. I guess we could switch everything around, live with it for a couple months, and if we don't like it, we can always switch it all back, but I think that we would really like it. Okay, well, this spare room is looking much better now that we got all that tidied up and vacuumed. And now the next job is to go and clean out the fridge, because the people who are buying it are going to be here very soon. Okay, so I got the fridge and freezer clean, but then I put everything back in the fridge, but I did group it together, put it in a big basket and stuff just so that it's easier to pull out when they buy it. Oh, look who just got home. Just sold our fridge and now the kitchen looks so empty without it. We didn't realize how big it was until we pulled it out of there. But we got that sold and I need to get all this food back in a fridge and freezer, so we're gonna get the new one set up. Okay, so we've got the fridge plugged in, it's getting cold. I'm gonna pull all this out, get it washed quick so that I can get all my cold stuff back in the fridge. Okay, I think I've gotten all of the plastic off of this fridge, and I keep messing up which door you close first. I think it's this one. Okay, last thing I want to do is quickly wipe down the outside of the fridge. I'm going to use Method Stainless Steel Cleaner and Polish. Okay, so sorry for the bad lighting. It's 7 o'clock and it's dark outside, and sorry for the messy kitchen. But I wanted to give you a quick little fridge tour. So here is the fridge in the kitchen. It is a little bit longer this way than I thought it was going to be. As you guys can see, it sticks out pretty far out from the cabinets, but it doesn't really matter. I can still open up the dishwasher all the way, so it should be fine. I actually really love the fact that the ice and water aren't on the front of the fridge, they're inside the fridge, and that the fridge doesn't have any handles. I feel like it just gives it a very modern feel, but it's still really easy to open. It's just got these little indents right here. The front of this fridge is fingerprint resistant, so I'm interested to see how that's going to go and how often I'll have to clean it. We'll start with the freezer down here with the little fridge tour. I love having a pull-out freezer and just having this deep space to be able to stack stuff in. Like I can just put my veggie bag right down in there and everything. It's nice to have this divider here because I've got my meat on one side and then I've got like all of my vegetables. I've got 3 big bags of pomegranate seeds down there that are frozen that I need to make jelly and juice out of. This top drawer, I've got my ice pack, some extra cheese, different things like that, juices, and this is the ice right here. So it's got a scoop that I can put in here that we can scoop out the ice, and the ice maker is back there. I just have to turn that on. And up here is the refrigerator. This is my first time ever having a double door refrigerator and I love it. There is so much space in here. Real quickly before I forget, I want to turn on the ice maker down there in the bottom. Okay, so plenty of room in here. I've got the eggs, yogurt, these little containers. I think I got these at Marshall's a while back. Usually at like Marshall's and Ross, you can find good deals on these acrylic type containers. All of these drawers are so great to have. Down here, I'm gonna do like veggies, fruit, and then this bottom one is so huge and so awesome to have all of my cheeses, lunch meat, tortillas. When I'm packing my husband's lunches and stuff, I can just pull this open. Easy to find everything. I thought this was a really neat feature. I've never had a fridge like this, so maybe this is common in a lot of these fridges. But this right here you can pull up if you want it to be a high shelf, or if you want to put some tall jugs of milk here, you can just push that back. There's so much space on these doors, it's awesome, and I really love these acrylic shelves. These are probably the most heavy-duty shelves that I've ever seen in a fridge before. All of the fridges that we've had before just had like the thin plastic shelves, but these ones are really thick and heavy-duty. Sauces in this one, these are adjustable. Then I've got like butter, sour cream up here. These two are pretty much empty, and then this one down here is like my peanut butter, jelly, and then our coffee creamers. And that is the little tour of our new fridge. We absolutely love it. And all of these shelves and drawers are just a dream to have, and I can't wait to completely fill up this fridge. This makes me want to go grocery shopping and just fill this thing up. And this fridge is extra special because it was a gift from the company Hisense. They sent it over to me so that I could tell you guys that this fridge is now available to purchase at Lowe's home improvement stores. If you guys want to go and see this fridge in person and look and see if you want to buy one for yourself, you can head over to your local Lowe's to shop it. So I'm going to close this video right here because it's 7:30. I need to go and put the boys to bed. I hope that you guys enjoyed this casual vlog style video. Stay tuned because the next video in a couple days is going to be another home renovation episode. So I will see you in the next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.